AI in 2025. Mind-blowing power and hidden dangers. Welcome to the future. It's 2025. Artificial intelligence is no longer just science fiction. It's here, evolving faster than we ever imagined, changing everything. Artificial intelligence can now think. Artificial intelligence now writes scientific papers, invents drugs, and even helps build other ice. OpenAI's deep research can produce 4,000-word technical documents in minutes. Google's AI County scientist discovered a new antibiotic in just 2 days. Artificial intelligence makes movies, music, and art. Want to make a movie? You don't need actors or a camera anymore. With just a text prompt, AI tools like Google Veo can generate full 4K video scenes. Midjourney V7 creates photorealistic images in seconds. AI is turning imagination into instant creation. Robots that learn like humans. AI robots are learning faster than ever. With models like Gemini Robotics, they can fold towels, open jars, and even serve food, with no manual training. Everyday AI. It's already around you. From your phone to your fridge, AI is in your pocket, your car, your home. Samsung's One UI 8 and Google's AI mode turn phones into real-time assistants that know what you want, before you even ask. Life-saving AI in medicine. AI can now detect diseases before symptoms appear. It can read scans, diagnose cancer, and even predict Alzheimer's with brain-like rhythm models. It's not replacing doctors. It's becoming their most powerful tool. But there's a dark side. But power without control is danger. In Ukraine, autonomous drones use AI to strike without human command. Some ICE now write malware better than hackers. And deepfakes? They've become almost impossible to detect. When AI can evolve itself. Alpha Evolve is an AI that improves its own code, with no human help. It's brilliant, but unpredictable. Like giving a child nuclear physics and letting it play. Ethics and uncertainty. The problem isn't just what AI can do. It's what we choose to let it do. Who decides when AI crosses the line? And when do we realize it's too late? Final thought: the crossroads. We are standing at the crossroads of a new era. AI could save lives, free us from routine, and expand human creativity. Or it could rewrite our world into something we no longer recognize. The future will be written by the hands of those who control AI. So choose wisely. Call to action: if you found this video eye-opening, subscribe for more insights into AI, tech, and the future of our world. Hit like, and share this before AI learns how to delete it.